What's up, everyone? This is Evgen from a local Canadian company, Appliance Fix Lab in Winnipeg. Time to troubleshoot Samsung appliances. Today's video is about repairing and servicing a Samsung dryer in the North Kildon area of Winnipeg. Today I will show you how to diagnose and repair a dryer step by step. Don't worry, it will take us no more than 2 minutes. Let's go! I turn on the Samsung dryer to the drying mode and wait 1-2 minutes. I open the door and use my hand to check if there is any increase in temperature in the dryer. Unfortunately, the temperature does not increase. There are the following reasons why the dryer does not dry. I believe a malfunction of one or more temperature sensor, a burnt heating element, a clogged air duct, a broken belt, a mechanical drum lock, poor contact or wiring, a faulty control board, etc. To identify the exact cause of the malfunction of the Samsung DV42H5000EW dryer, is disconnect it from the power supply and disassemble it, conducting a visual inspection and the necessary measurements with a multimeter. Inside the dryer, I notice a lot of lint in the area of the heating element. It is burnt. I remove all the lint with a vacuum cleaner. Having checked all the components of the dryer with a tester, I found that the heating element of the dryer needs to be replaced. I replaced it and assembled the dryer. I turn it on and wait 1-2 minutes. Check. Success! The Samsung dryer has been tested in all modes and is ready for future use. It's time to say goodbye. If you have questions about repair your Samsung dryer or questions about any other home appliances, shoot us with a comment and the Appliance Fix Lab team will definitely answer them. I advise you to click the subscribe button right now, so as not to miss the next fascinating and informative series of video reviews on the maintenance of appliances in Winnipeg. You subscribe and like. I make new videos on appliance repair and maintenance. Together we can fix any problem. See you soon. Bye bye.